Hi there and welcome to another session of Business Studies for the 12th Standard with me, Vishwanath Sir. Today we shall be continuing our journey with the case studies from the chapter Planning where we last left off. And please, I remind you again that case studies is an integral and a very important part of the CBSE question paper of Business Studies. So let's get underway. The first case studies which I am putting forward is, there is a person called Rehab who's appointed as a supervisor in Green Ply Limited, which is a leading manufacturer in the field of plywood. He is assigned the target of manufacturing 200 units per week. As creative and skilled personnel, he attempts to complete the things in different ways. He suggests the production manager to distribute the entire work amongst the workers uniformly. Rehab pioneers for introduction of a system where the authority should be delegated to the subordinates along with responsibility. Ahmed, the production manager of the company, does not respond to the suggestions of Rehab and ignores because he is a subordinate employee. He follows the same technique and methods used in the organization. So the question number 1 is, in the above case, identify the limitations in the primary function of management. The major limitations of planning here, which we see in this case, is planning decreases creativity. Okay, and state the process of planning in the above. Of course, you have to state in which way it goes, okay, what is done, what is the alternative course of action which is applied, and so on. From here I go to the next case study, and the next case study is basically related to Lakshmi Chemicals, a soap manufacturing company which wanted to increase its market share from 30% to 55%. In the long run, a recent report submitted by the Research and Development Department of the company had predicted a growing trend of herbal and organic products. On the basis of this report, the company decided to diversify into new variety of soaps with natural ingredients which have the benefits and fragrances of jasmine, rose, lavender, mogra, lemongrass, green apple, strawberry, etc. The unique selling proposition, that's a USP, was to promote the eco-friendly living in the contemporary lifestyle. The company decided to allocate rupees 30 crores to achieve these objectives. Identify the type 1 function of management which will help the company acquire the dominant position in the market. So this is strategy, okay, because they are adapting to what is going on in the trends, and if they adapt to this particular trend, their sales will increase along with their profit margins also becoming more. Let's go to the next case study from here. After completing her study in product design, Sarita wishes to start her own business to design products to cater to the mobility and communication requirements of persons with special needs. She told her friend she wanted to focus on supplying high quality products at affordable prices. The USP of the products would be sensitivity to the challenges and needs to the differently abled people. She wants to employ only differently abled people in her factory and sales office across the country. This decision of Sarita provides the base for interpreting to recruit the persons. Sarita had also decided about the exact manner and the chronological order how the selection of differently abled applicants will be done. In the above lines, Sarita is discussing about one of the functions of management. This function of management has several types. Identify and explain the types Sarita is discussing in the above lines. So, Sarita is discussing the planning function. The type of plans which is referred here are policy and procedure. Policy is a general statement, a general guideline which helps in the decision making of the predetermined objectives. In this case, the production of products suitable for disabled people and employing differently abled people in the factory is a policy statement. B, procedure, that is how it is to be done. She is going to follow a particular manner, and chronological order by selecting the employees by providing a procedure for selection. Okay, fine. From here I go to the next case study where Rajiv, the owner of Pathway Constructions, decided to campaign to create awareness among the people for developing clean surroundings in the area. He formed a team of 10 members to list the different ways of cleaning the surroundings. One suggested to take the help of local residents. Another suggested they might involve school-going children in this venture. One more suggestion was to take the help of the unemployed youth. On the evaluation of the different ways, it was decided to take the help of the local residents to achieve the desired goals of the various activities which were identified. Purchase of necessary items like dustbin, garbage bags, brooms, etc. B, collection of garbage. C, disposal of garbage. After identification of the activities allocated to different members, identify, number one, the concepts of management involved in the above situation and quote the lines which help the identification. The concept involved is planning and organizing, and the lines are create awareness by cleaning the surrounding. One suggested unemployed youth. One evaluation, help of local residents. Lines for organizing, to achieve. Why? To disposal of garbage. Next, after identification, different members. Then finally we go to the values of teamwork, performing social responsibility, and next, respect for environment. So all these things have to be taken into consideration, these values. From here I go to Rima Electronics, which is manufacturing television sets for the different income groups. The company has decided to increase its profits by at least 20% in the next quarter. It has got the following options. Number one, increase the working hours of the laborers without making additional payments. Number two, to employ children from the local community. The company opted to use both these options to achieve its target. A, identify the function of management described in the above paragraph, that is planning. Number two, state the steps. Okay, the steps are settling the organizational objectives, adapting the course of action, selecting the best alternative, and what are the values which are neglected. Exploitation of work and child labor is banned. Okay, so these two things come in the way of their growth, and they should avoid all these things as far as possible. Okay, so these are certain things which have to be taken into consideration. The case studies where we have to find ways out to put the answer in the correct way is very important. Okay, and planning helps us achieve all these things, and not only do you plan with the case studies, but you also see that you plan doing your studies on time. Okay, doing your studies in a methodical manner, because once you reach out and do this case studies in a proper manner, it will help you a long way to go about doing this in a correct manner. Okay, so these are certain things. Please go through the process of planning very minutely, because the following steps are always involved. One is setting up of the objectives, developing premises, listing the various objectives. Basically, developing premises means your premises are assumptions, and listing the various alternatives to be achieved. So take care of this various things, and which is the best possible course of action. Take it into a play. Evaluate the different alternatives, that is most important, and select the alternative. Finally, after evaluating, you select whichever is the best. Like for example, we go out shopping, we might buy a refrigerator. You have to evaluate what is your budget, and after evaluating your budget, what particular refrigerator fits you well, and what is a type of payment which you can do. Okay, then implement the plan, and after you implement the plan, see that you do your follow-up action, because follow-up action is a very much necessity in going about doing things. Fine. And please go through your types of plans, which are very important, especially single use and standing plans, which we all had discussed earlier. Okay, this and much more, and please see that these particular techniques are followed by you. Thank you so much. This is Vishwanath sir signing off.